Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Phylum World. Today we will be discussing the beautiful, peaceful nature of two incredibly unique phylums. They are the Platyhelminthes and the Nematoda, otherwise known as the flatworms and the roundworms. First, we will observe the Platyhelminthes in its natural habitat. Notice it's lying still, as it doesn't move often. In fact, it doesn't move at all unless stimulated by water, which it loves. They swim by undulating their bodies and gracefully creeping their cilia. Using a muscular tube, otherwise known as the pharynx, the Platyhelminthe pumps food into its digestive cavity. Oh, it's our lucky day! We get to observe a Platyhelminthe eating. This one appears to be carnivorous, as it is feeding on the flesh of an animal. Some Platyhelminthes are scavengers, and many more are parasites, feeding on the blood, tissue fluid, and cell parts of the host. Lacking specialized organs for circulation and respiration, the Platyhelminthe absorbs nutrients through diffusion. Platyhelminthes are also sensitive to light. Watch as one of our experts frightens one using a flashlight. In terms of reproduction, Platyhelminthes are hermaphrodites. In other words, there can be either the male or the female in the relationship. They can also reproduce asexually through regeneration. Now it is time to turn our attention to the wild Nematoda. Observe as its longitudinal muscles contract and expand to produce a thrashing motion. Ranging from less than a millimeter to 1 meter in length, the Nematoda is a long, unsegmented roundworm with no appendages. It also possesses a pseudocoelom, a fluid-filled cavity for the circulation of oxygen and nutrients. Nematoda feed on a variety of items. Some feed on plants, breaking open their cells and sucking out the nutrients. Others feed on dead organic matter. Still, others are carnivorous. It is interesting to note that Nematoda have separate genders. In order to reproduce sexually, they must find a mate of the opposite gender. Most nematodes are free-living and play a vital role as decomposers in their ecosystem. Like Platyhelminthes, nematodes can also be parasitic.